Percussion, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing exercises 39 and 40 in our lesson book. These exercises focus on the 16th notes and rests in 8th time. First in 3/8 time and then next in 5/8 time. I've got my metronome set in 3/8 as the time signature, and I've got the tempo set at 40 beats per minute. But my metronome will be clicking the 8th notes. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And that's how we'll count our 8th note. 1, 2, 3. When we have 16ths, we'll count 1 and 2 and 3 and. Hang on tight because these two exercises are pretty tricky at this tempo. If you need to, practice them slowly on your own first and then use the video for review to check your accuracy. Here we go with number 39. 1, 2, 3, ready, set, go. 1 and 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1 and 2, 3. And 2, 3. And 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1 and 2 and 3 and 2 and 3 and 1, 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2, 3 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 3. 1 and 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 and 2. 1 and 3. 1 and 2. 1, 2 and 3 and 1, 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3. 1 and 2 and 3. And 2 and 3 and 2 and 3. 1 and 2. 1 and 3. 1 and 3. 1 and 3. 2, 3. 1 and 2 and 3 and 2 and 3 and 1, 2 and 3 and 1, 2, 3. That exercise throws 16th rests into every measure in different places. It might help you just to subdivide and count every measure 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. Also, you might want to grab a pencil and mark in the counting for those measures that you repeatedly make mistakes. And then try saying those measures, because if you can say it, you can play it. Let's move on to number 40. I'm going to change my metronome to 5/8 time, which means there are 5 counts in each measure. The value of the 8th notes and 16th notes does not change because the bottom number stayed the same, an 8. So we'll count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and, as it applies to number 40. Join me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, ready, go. 1 and 3, 4, 5. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 1, 2 and 3 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 5. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 2 and 4 and 5 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 5 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5. 1 and 3, 4 and 5. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5. Hang on is right. Now, that might be too fast for you to play if this is your first time watching this video. Take a moment, pause the video, and get out your metronome. Find the speed that works for you, that you can play the rhythms with accuracy, and you can count and say and play. So, I hope that this has been helpful, and I hope that you'll try using this video again, as well as the other videos in this series. Until I see you again, keep practicing.